Okay, guys, so for our math lesson today, we are still talking about um, our equation, what, um, finding out the unknown, and then solving the problem. Okay, so let's look at this first page. You'll need probably a pencil and something to write with, so you can take notes and work on this as we go through it. And, zoom down. So let's look at the first one. Maria Jose has a sticker book with 8 pages. Each page holds 12 stickers. Right now, there are 54 stickers in her book. How many more stickers will the book hold? All right, so let's look at the top. It says, tell what the problem is asking us to figure out. Then we're to write an equation for the problem. And then we'll use a letter. In this case, maybe we'll use a lowercase s to stand for the quantity that we don't know yet. And then we're going to solve the problem. All right, so let's look at the first one. So what's it asking us to solve, right? We can look here, and it tells us how many more stickers will the book hold. So we have a sticker book. We're trying to figure out, she's got 8 pages, and each page holds 12 stickers. Right now, there are 54 stickers in her book. Okay, so here's a couple or 3 equations that we can look at. We have 8 times 12 minus 54, because we got to do the parentheses first. Then we have 54 plus s, which we don't know s is yet. That's this part right here, the equation, and using a letter to write for the unknown. We don't know that yet. 54 plus s will equal 8 times 12, or 8 times 12 minus s will equal 54. So what we're going to look at, and we're going to solve first, read the equation. So she has 8 sticker book pages, okay? And then on each page, she has 12 stickers. So we can look through here. This one has 8 times 12. This one has 8 times 12. This one also has 8 times 12. So look at the next part. And we can say, as of, like it says, right now, there are 54 stickers in her book. So let's look at this first one. 8 times 12 minus 54. That would work because she has 8 times 12. She has 8 pages. Each page has 12. Then she already has 54 stickers in her book, because it's asking us how many stickers will the whole book, not each page or how many she has now, how many more stickers will the book hold, okay? So we can say 8 times 12. So if we were to write out that equation, we could write out 8 times 12. And if you're looking for a good strategy, we can do 8 times 10 will give me 80. I have 2 groups of 8 left. So 8 times 2 will equal 2 groups of 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. 80 plus 16 is 96. So I have 96 that she has 8 pages, and each page will hold 12 stickers. There are 54 stickers in her book. Okay, so we can minus this next part. So I'll write out the equation again, and then this time we can go ahead and look at solving that problem, because we're going to look at this first part there. So 8 times 12, we'll put that in parentheses, minus 54, and it equals, we don't know yet, lowercase s. 8 times 12 is 96, minus 54 will equal s. Okay, so now I can subtract 54 from 96, and I can do this like the standard algorithm way, line it up. 4 from 6 is 2. 4 from 5, 4 from 9 is 5 from 9 is 42. So how many more stickers will the book still hold? Okay, because we're asking how many. She already has 54. She has 8 pages. Each page she has a sticker book with 8 pages. Each page holds 12 stickers. She already has 54 that are in her book. so she can still hold 42 more stickers. Because my label is stickers, right? Because that's what it says. How many more stickers will the book hold? So we were solving this on some type of quiz or a test. We can make sure we need to put our label. In this case, our label is stickers. All right. So let's look at this next one. Micah collects baseball cards and puts them in a binder filled with pages that hold 9 cards each. His goal is to collect 270 cards by the end of the year. Right now, Micah has filled 11 pages in his book. How many more cards does he need to collect to meet his goal? Okay, so again, we can go back and look at that top part, tell what the problem is asking us to figure out. So how many more cards does he need to collect to meet his goal? His goal is to do 270. Right now, Micah has filled 11 pages in his book, okay? And each page will hold 9 cards, all right? So that's what we're finding out. How many more cards does he need to collect his goal? And here is the key: how many more? Not how many he has altogether, but how many more must he meet to meet his goal? All right. So again, we have some equations at the bottom, and we can go through and look at this. His total goal is the 270 right here, right? That's what he wants to collect. So he has 270. And we can say that his baseball card pages, there's 9 in each card. It holds 9 cards on each page, right? So each page will hold 9 cards. Right now, he has filled 11. So we can say his total goal is the 270, right? And he's already got 9 cards, or he has 11 pages in his book. And each page holds 11, right? And then we can say this will equal C for cards. Okay, we can look at this one right here, 9 plus 11, or I'm sorry, 9 times 11, plus that unknown will equal 270. We have 270 minus the number we're looking for will equal 9 times 11. If we look back at our information, 270 cards is what he wants to collect. Right now, he has 9 cards, and they each have, or he has 11 pages in his book, and each one of those pages holds 9. So we can say 9 times 11 minus 270. So we can put my minus here, because this one looks like that will fit in much better. All right, so what is, again, 9 times 11? If we need to do a friendly number, we can find 9 times 10 would equal 90, plus an additional group of 9 would be 99. So we have 270 minus 99 will equal our cards, the number that he needs to get, right? All right, so we can make this our friendly number, and of 100, 270 minus 100 would be 170, but we kind of added one to this side, so we have to add one to that side to balance it out, right? So we can do that, or we can do it our standard algorithm way. We've done this several times. Remember, I cannot take 9 from this 0. I have to borrow or decompose this one. That would give me 6. So 10 minus 9 would be 1. I can't take 9 from this 6, so I have to decompose this one again to give me a 1. This would be 16 minus 9 would be 7. I can bring that down 1, so I have 171 cards left. That's what he needs to collect to meet his goal. So I can say 171 cards to meet his goal. Okay? So remember on here, we need to find out what the question is asking, then write the equation for the problem, and then we're using a letter to give us the unknown quantity. That's we're using, like we did, S here for stickers and then C here for cards. And then we're going to solve the problem. All right. So in your book, we're going to work on page 229, 230, and 231. So this example here, it is an array, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So a 6 by 10. 6 by 10 array, 6 times 10 will equal what? 60, right? So we'll do A. So if we know this is a 6 by 10, so this is 6 by 10, this is another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this will be not a 6 by 10, this would be a 6 by 20. Would be what? So we know 6 times 2 is 12. 6 by 20, 6 times 20, if two groups of 60 would be 120. So we know 6 by 1 is 6, 6 by 2, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3, this one here is 6 times 30, right? And you're going to find that out. So work on page 229, 230, and 231 in your book, and then you should be able to upload those to Seesaw. Okay? So you can use like it says at the bottom, use what work you've already done to solve these here on 229, and then you have page 230 and 231.